Softshell fabric is a popular choice for sportswear in the apparel industry, and to pair it with Supacolor Soft Shell Blocker transfers is a match made in customization heaven. It's ideal for sportswear and similar apparel due to their weather resistance and stretchability, while also remaining as breathable as fleece. We'll be guiding you through how Supacolor Soft Shell Blocker transfers are applied, then prepared on an active hoodie. As with Supacolor wearable transfers, transfer prep is as simple as setting your desired size, noting some apparel specs, then sending your vector art to HPN, whether in the AI, EPS, or PDF format. You can also send high-quality image files in the PNG or JPEG format that's at least 300 dpi. We particularly recommend transparent PNG files if your image doesn't need a background. With the art sent to HPN, it's sent to Supacolor to be printed accordingly, which is then returned to you once it's completed. As soon as you receive your Softshell Blocker transfer, all it takes is applying it onto your item. Turn on your heat press and set it to 12 seconds at 290 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. When working with polyester fabrics, be sure to use medium firm pressure instead. With your machine at temperature, add your items to the lower platen. Then you may optionally pre-press it for 2 seconds to clear out any wrinkles and moisture. Pre-pressing won't be required for any items that are 100% polyester. Afterwards, add your Softshell Blocker transfer where desired. Cover your items with a protective sheet and press. When the machine is done, open it and peel the Softshell Blocker transfer from a corner with smooth, consistent motion. Then cover your items again to press for another 2 seconds. After the second press, your Supacolor Softshell Blocker transfer has now been cleanly applied to your fabric item. You can learn about Supacolor transfers and more on our YouTube channel or at heatpressnation.com.